To enable and use auto replace on your Galaxy Watch with your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, go to the app screen, find wearable app, and then tap it. Tap watch setting. Next, scroll down the screen, tap general. Under input section, tap Samsung keyboard. Under smart typing section, tap auto replace. And then choose language you want to enable auto replace. As the example, we will enable it for English. To see how this feature works on your Galaxy Watch, open an app where you can type like messaging. Now type something. As you are typing, some suggested word will appear above the keyboard. Tap the spacebar to enter the highlighted word. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.